Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing transformation, turning ordinary, dirty spark plugs into a highly useful tool. To bring them back to life, I'll need to clean them thoroughly. I'll start by inserting one spark plug into my drill. This allows me to rotate it at a high speed, which is essential for effective cleaning. I'll then spray a little WD-40 onto the spark plug. Next, I'll use an old toothbrush, gently pressing its bristles against the rotating spark plug. After brushing, I'll wipe it down with a clean tissue. This helps remove any remaining grime and ensures the spark plug is perfectly clean. Look at the difference. One is sparkling clean, ready for its new life. Now that our spark plugs are clean, I'm taking a red electrical wire and stripping a small section of insulation from its middle using a pair of pliers. I'll twist these strands to make a solid connection. Then, I'll carefully wrap this exposed wire around the top terminal of the first spark plug. It's important to wrap it tightly to ensure a secure electrical connection. After wrapping, I'll use the pliers to crimp it firmly in place and then trim any excess wire for a neat finish. I'll repeat this process to the other side of the same spark plug, creating two connection points. This setup will be key to connecting it to our power source. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'll do the same for the second spark plug, but this time I'm using a white wire for distinction. I'll strip both ends of this white wire and twist the copper strands. This ensures good conductivity and prevents fraying. Again, I'll make sure these connections are tight and secure with the pliers. I will prepare two brass connectors and firmly attach them to the center electrodes of the spark plugs. To hold our spark plugs in place and ensure stability, I need to create a small stand. I've got two small wooden cylinders here. I'll mark the center of each cylinder with a pen. This mark is where I'll drill, so precision is important for a straight hole. Using my drill, I'll bore a hole through the center of each wooden cylinder. It's important to drill all the way through, as the spark plug will pass through this. I will prepare a plug with two wires, red and white. I will strip the insulation from the ends of the wires in the plug. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then I will attach the stripped wires to the spark plug and tighten them with pliers. Next, I'll take my flat wooden block. I'll apply hot glue to these spots. Hot glue provides a strong and quick bond, essential for the stability of our stand. I'll then firmly press the drilled wooden cylinders onto the glued spots on the block. Finally, I'll insert our prepared spark plugs into the holes in the wooden cylinders. They should fit snugly, standing upright and ready for the next step. Once they are secure, I'll apply more hot glue to the top surface of the cylinders. This extra layer of glue will help hold the spark plugs firmly in place. Next, I need to create the electrodes for our device. I'm taking 2 short pieces of copper tubing. These will be crucial for conducting electricity through the water. I'll secure 1 copper tube in a vise, and then carefully drill a small hole through its side. This hole is essential for connecting our electrical wire securely. I'll repeat this exact process for the second copper tube, ensuring both are prepared identically. Now I have 2 more wires, one red and one white, with their insulation stripped from both ends. I'll insert 1 stripped end of the red wire into the hole I just drilled in the first copper tube and crimp it tightly using pliers. A secure crimp ensures a reliable electrical connection. Then, I'll take the other end of the red wire and connect it to the lower terminal of the first spark plug, tightening it firmly with a screwdriver. This forms the first complete electrode assembly. I'll repeat the same steps for the white wire, connecting it to the second copper tube, and then to the lower terminal of the second spark plug. These connections complete the main circuit for our device. Now for the exciting part, let's see our invention in action. I'm pouring water into a glass. Then, I'll plug our entire setup into a standard power strip. Watch closely. Immediately, you can see bubbles rapidly forming around both copper tubes. This is the amazing process of electrolysis at work, where the electric current is actively splitting the water molecules into hydrogen gas at one electrode and oxygen gas at the other. This visual proof demonstrates the power and effectiveness of our homemade device. When I carefully remove the electrodes and wipe them clean with a tissue, you can clearly see how one has turned a darker color, indicating the chemical changes that have occurred. It's truly incredible what you can achieve with a few simple, repurposed components and a little creativity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.